What's up guys, welcome to our channel Etechniz. In this video, we will talk about delete temporary files Windows 10. We will discuss 5 methods by which you can delete all of your temporary files in Windows 10. Along with that, we will discuss how you can set up your Windows PC on automated function so that it can delete all the temporary files by its own whenever it is start filling up all the storage space you have on your PC. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on subscribe button and select all on the bell notification and leave your feedback in the comment section. Step 1. Delete temporary files with temp folder. Here we will discuss 2 locations where you have a lot of junk file and you can delete all of your junk file at once. Press the Windows icon on your keyboard and press R. Here type %temp %. Click OK. Either you can press Enter key. Click here and select all of the junk file temporary files. Do a right click, select delete, and as you can see, you will need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder. Here, select this option and click continue. Now do the same thing again, press the Windows icon and R, and now you have to go into the temp folder. Type temp, click OK, click here anywhere in this temp folder and select all and do a right click and select delete. Alright, it's done. If you will get any option which tells you that it cannot delete files or folder which is in use right now, so you can select the skip as well. After deleting, you have to empty the recycle bin as well, because all the files transfer to the recycle bin and it's also depend on your storage. Recycle bin also depend on your storage space, so you need to delete all the files from recycle bin too. So do a right click, click on empty recycle and click yes. Click continue. Alright, it's done. Step 2. Delete file with the use of bat files. You can create your personal mini program that can remove these temporary files. Whenever you run it, you just have to do a double click on that mini program and it start deleting all the temporary files. So what you have to do, press the Windows icon and R and type notepad here. Click OK. You'll see this notepad in here. Type in here R space D space %temp %/s space /q. Click on file, click on save as. You can select any of the folder from here. I'm selecting desktop. Type the name of the mini program here. I'm typing the name temporary files cleaner .bat. Do remember this, you have to type .bat after typing the name and click save. If you are seeing the same problem, you cannot see the bat file in your desktop screen or in the folder you have saved bat file, then do a right click and click on refresh. As you can see, it's showing up. Do a right click and click on open. As I already deleted lots of temporary files from my PC, it's not showing up. But if you have a lot of junk file, or we can say temporary file in your Windows PC, then this mini program start deleting all the temporary files from your PC. Like to tell you, the Q parameter contain confirmation prompt to remove the files and folder, and S is for removing all the subfolder including files in the temporary folder. Step 3. Delete temp file from storage. In Windows 10, setting storage management screen enables you to inspect and remove temporary files type on your computer. If the disk storage start to appear low, a quick visit to the storage option should advise you to free up storage. So what you have to do, press the Windows icon and R. Here you can open the setting with 2 options. Either you can click on Windows icon and click on setting and you'll get this page, or you can type the command here in the run. By pressing and holding Windows icon and R, you'll get this run window. Type ms-settings : as you can see the colon here. Click OK. You will get the same setting window comes up. Here click on System. On the left hand side, click on Storage. As you can see, it's start analyzing how many temp files you have. Click on Temporary Files. Wait for a while. Completes loading a directory of temporary file on your PC. Check the boxes next to the temporary file types you want to remove. You can notice the number of potential space savings showing next to all of them. Read the descriptions of all files so that you will not end up removing anything important. Leave the previous version of Windows unchecked. Now click the Remove Files button. As all the junk folder already selected here, as you can see, I'm not selecting this one, neither I'm selecting this one, delivery optimization file, because I want my PC to stay optimized, so I'm not selecting this option. Click on Remove Files. If you have a lot of junk file, it's gonna take some time. However, I do not have a lot of junk file on my PC because I used to delete all the junk file once a week. So that's why I do not have a lot of junk file in this PC. Step 4. Disk Cleanup Tool. Every Windows PC have a disk cleanup tool. Aside from the settings storage management screen, Windows 10 also comes with disk cleanup tool. It's a kind of outdated tool, but it lists temporary files that you may not find listed within the storage option. Press the Windows icon and R, type clean mgr. As you can see, let me show you again. Press the Windows and R. You'll see clean mgr.exe and press OK. Either enter, and from here select the folder from where you want to delete temporary files. Temporary files, internet files, directory X, shader cache. I'm leaving this option as it's already 0 bytes. Optimization, leaving this one too. Temporary files, select as per your requirement and click delete files. It will start deleting all the temporary files and junk file from your PC and all the temporary files folder you have selected. Step 5. Configure automatic cleanup. You can set up Windows 10 to remove temporary file automatically by activating storage sense. Rather than doing it again and again, you must configure it on automatic on your computer so that you do not have to worry about it. Press the Windows icon and R. You'll get the run box. Type ms-settings. As I already explained to you before, you can go into the setting option by clicking on Windows icon and settings, but I'm using the command to open the settings. Click OK. I show you all of these commands because this improves your technical knowledge and this helps you to operate your PC by just typing the command. Here click on System, click on Storage on the left side, click on Configure Storage Sense or Run It Now. Turn on the switch beneath the storage. Select how often you want to run it. As you can see, during low free disk space, you want it to run every day, every week, every month. You can select the option as per your requirement. Now as you can see, here we have temporary files. You have to check this option, temporary files that my apps aren't using. Delete file in my recycle bin if they have been there for over 30 days. You can select this timing. If you want your PC to store the deleted file in recycle bin for 30 days, then you can select 30 days. If you want it to store for 60 days, for almost 2 months, then you can select 2 months or 14 days. Select the option as per your requirement. Delete files in my downloads folder if they have been over 30 days, 60 days. Select as per your requirement. You can click on clean now as well if you want them to delete it now. Alright, so these are the 5 steps, or we can say the 4 steps, which help you to clean up all the temporary files in Windows 10. And the 5th step is to configure your PC on automatic function so that it can delete all the junk file by its own. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave your feedback in the comment section.